what's going on, everybody? Brian Franz here with Sentinel Emergency Solutions. This is Steve Williams. We are out in front of 2 new fire trucks with some pretty cool, exciting news. Effective September 1st, a couple days ago, we as Sentinel are the new Rosenbauer dealers for Western Missouri. So we are going from Kansas City and Springfield are now in our territory, kind of that KC South and West area. So we're really excited. We have equipment people who are already over there covering that area. So now to be able to add Rosenbauer is just awesome. So with that, we're power touring to the west, right, Steve?
That's right, Brian. We got our power tour coming up. So we're going to be touring areas of Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. So it's pretty cool. We actually have our power tour that's going to start off in Missouri, and we're going to go over to the western side of Missouri, over to Kansas City area, and then we're going to work ourselves back towards the St. Louis area. And from that point, we're actually going to have our open house. Our Sentinel Open House is going to be a 2-day deal, so we're going to do that on Friday and Saturday. And that following week, we're going to continue the last leg of the power tour, and that's going to go off into parts of Illinois and Indiana. And then we'll basically end up back here at home, and yeah, we're really looking forward to it.
Yeah, if you have not been a part of the Sentinel Power Tour, we did it last year, it was the first year. We got 7 trucks, maybe more than that. Yeah. We take a bunch of equipment with us and just try to show off all the Rosenbauer products. We got a couple of aerials that are going to go, pumpers, tankers, just some really neat stuff to show. So keep watching the Sentinel website and Facebook for our power tour stops. Come check us out at the open house. Sentinel, we're now going into Western Missouri. Stay tuned, we got a lot of cool stuff taking place.